Welcome back to Dr. Siddharth Roy Homeopathy's YouTube channel, and I am Dr. Siddharth Roy. Today's topic is leukorrhea. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell notification so you don't miss any future video notifications. Let's get started. What is leukorrhea? Vaginal discharge is widespread and can vary in quantity and quality based on different days of the menstrual cycle. The medical name for a normal vaginal discharge is leukorrhea. It can be yellow or white, but it does not cause pain, itching, irritation, or burning of the tissue around the vaginal opening. It is sometimes hard to specify the difference between normal vaginal discharge and leukorrhea caused by a yeast infection or sexually transmitted diseases. It is mostly odorless and pale. It helps to keep the vagina free of infection by flushing out the foreign bodies. But sometimes the discharge can be due to underlying pathology like an infection that needs medical attention. What are the causes of leukorrhea? There are various causes for this condition, but the most common ones are as follows. Sexual intercourse that is unprotected, nutritional deficiency, poor maintenance of hygiene in intimate areas, any injury to the cervix or any other part of the female reproductive system during pregnancy, infection of the urinary tract, fungal or bacterial infections, vaginal irritation due to the insertion of contraceptive devices, anemia. What are the symptoms of leukorrhea? The following symptoms suggest that you might be suffering from leukorrhea: foul smelling vaginal discharge, pain in the stomach or cramps, constipation, headaches, itching sensation, pain in the lumbar region and calves. What are the types of leukorrhea? There are various types of this condition and they are listed as below based on the cause: physiological, pathological, cervicitis, yeast infection in the vagina, trichomonas vaginitis. Can leukorrhea be prevented? This condition can be prevented by following the measures: having a healthy diet, maintaining good personal hygiene, taking care while using contraceptives. Suppose you notice any change in the vaginal discharge, do consult your physician as soon as possible. Leukorrhea is a common condition but can be embarrassing as well, as hazardous to health if left untreated. Hence, it is important to consult the doctor or physician as soon as possible. When you are in doubt or notice any change in the vaginal discharge, with the help of online medical platforms, it has been easy to consult your physician at the comfort of your home. Thank you very much for watching our video. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment on our YouTube channel. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you in the next video.